So here's how you can mute notifications on the iPad. Let's get into it. If you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss anything important. So there are more ways how you're going to do this. At first, you can open up the settings and find the notifications section. Everything is going to be listed right there, and you can manage it app by app. So you can decide that some apps will never be allowed to give you notifications, so you can mute individual apps right here, right? For example, you might mute some random games or something, right? Or you can also just make the notifications quiet by disabling the sound or turning off the banners, whatever, right? So that's like one way to manage your notifications. However, if you want to mute them just temporarily, I would recommend you to set up a focus mode. So part of the settings is also the focus section, which lets you set up, for example, a work focus mode. And this is a mode which you set up during your working hours, and you decide which apps can and cannot deliver notifications. For example, during the focus mode, you might only allow your emails to be delivered, but you perhaps want to block some random messages or some other unimportant notifications. So during or using this method, you can decide which apps can or cannot deliver notifications, and therefore you selectively mute your notifications for a select period of time based on your intention, like the work or fitness, sleeping, whatever. So I personally find this to be very useful, and I kind of use it all the time. So let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.